colleges to remain shut, but it won't be zero academic year. Video of kid crying at the thought of schools reopening goes viral, Twitter relates. Only 33% parents support reopening schools in September. Majority of parents oppose reopening schools. Bar schools from hiking fees, parents urge Bombay High Court. KVS admission first merit list 2020 highlights, merit list released. Released rupees 98.35 crore to North Delhi civic body for teachers' salary, AAP government tells High Court. Online classes are not substitute for school education, says Sisodia. Punjab government to distribute mobile phones to youth. With WhatsApp and video texts, learning takes a new form in Delhi government schools. PIL in High Court seeks policy for differently abled students during unlock phase. CBSE students urge Supreme Court to take suo motu cognizance of board's decision to conduct compartment exam. Good morning and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: schools, colleges to remain shut, but it won't be zero academic year. The Narendra Modi-led government has dismissed the reports which had claimed that schools and colleges that may have been closed mid-March may open from September 1. Sources close to the center asserted that a final call will be taken only after assessing the situation and local spread of the pandemic, which has claimed over 44,000 lives across the country. The internet is falling in love with a video of a kid crying his eyes out at the idea of schools reopening. It is one of the most hilarious things you will see today. The video was shared on Twitter by former Finance Secretary Arvind Mayaram with the caption, "Ab kya kare? What should we do now?" It shows a kid horrified at the idea of schools opening again that he bursts into tears. Given the rising number of COVID-19 cases in India, parents are against the idea of government contemplating to reopen schools September onwards, as per a latest survey. 58% parents do not support reopening of schools, as per a survey conducted by local circles with a sample size of 25,000 parents and grandparents from 252 districts of India. Only 33% parents support reopening of schools from September 1, according to a survey by local circles. Risk and unknowns of COVID-19 and hard to implement social distancing norms in schools pose risk to seniors in the family are among the top reasons why parents don't want schools starting from September 1. Bar schools from hiking fees, parents urge Bombay High Court. Over 30 parents filed intervention applications before the Bombay High Court in support of a May 8 state government resolution barring schools from increasing their fees for the academic year 2020 to 2021 and charge existing payable fees in installments. The Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan has released the first merit list of provincially selected candidates for admission to Class 1. The online application process for Class 1 was closed on August 7th. The merit list is now available at the website kvsonlineadmission.kvs.gov.in. One has to click on Check Application with required details to know their admission status. The Delhi High Court was informed by the Delhi government that it has released Rs 98.35 crore to North Delhi Municipal Corporation for paying salaries to 9,000 teachers engaged by the civic body for July and August. The Delhi government also said it has permitted the NRDMC to utilize the unspent balance of Rs 1,807.10 lakh of previous year for the purpose of paying salaries of the teachers. Online education is not a substitute for school education and its purpose is to keep the learning process moving, Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia said on Tuesday. Sisodia, who is also Delhi's Education Minister, interacted with teachers and parents at a government school in Chirag Enclave to review the online and semi-online education system enforced in view of closure of schools due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The Punjab government has announced that it will introduce a scheme for the distribution of mobile phones to youngsters on Tuesday. In difficult times of COVID-19, some of the youths were facing pressing problems in accessing online education content. Chief Minister's office quoted Chief Minister Captain Amarinder Singh saying, "With WhatsApp and video texts, learning takes a new form in Delhi government schools." A month after the Delhi government announced a semi-online model of education for its students amid the COVID-19 pandemic, with an increased focus on student-teacher interaction, teachers and principals across the capital are going the extra mile to ensure that they cover as many students as possible. The Bombay High Court on Tuesday directed the state government to file a response to a PIL that sought relief for specially abled school and college students during Unlock Phase 2. The directions were issued after the PIL pointed out that while the government introduced online teaching for regular students, no steps were taken for special students. The PIL claimed that 7% of the state's population consists of differently abled people, of which 3% are special students. Over 800 students from across the country have approached the Supreme Court through a letter of petition requesting it to take suo motu cognizance of the decision of the Central Board of Secondary Education to conduct compartment exams during the COVID-19 outbreak. While there is no update on the schedule of the compartment examination, most colleges have given examination deadlines, students stated. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website, which is www.theenn.com, and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.